In this YouTube video, we will give all 4 AIs you can see right here the task to create a Tetris game by just using one single prompt. So right here is the prompt, and now we have these 4 different AIs. So on the top left corner, the fresh released Qwen 2.5 Max. Then right here, ChatGPT with the O1 model. On the bottom right, we have Copilot, Microsoft, and on the left side, we have DeepSeek AI, which also is super fresh with AI. So let's start with this test by pressing send message, and let's see which one is the fastest and how the results are on the different AIs. On the bottom left, we can already see the thinking process. So this one is super special in DeepSeek. You can always see if you have DeepThink R1 enabled what the AI is thinking about at the moment. So for example, drawing the board and piece on the canvas is essential. I will create functions to draw the grid, the current piece and the next piece preview. The draw function will clear the canvas each frame and we draw everything. So you can exactly see how the process was done by this AI. On the top left side in Qwen, you can see a short description of the problem, and then we have this HTML text. On the right side, we have ChatGPT and Copilot. Copilot is now turning out the whole answer in one message. So you can't see this process of making the code. And as you can see, we have some sources right here. So I think this code is selected out of different GitHub codes existing. All the other ones, as you can see, they are coding by its own, and probably all the results, if we recreate this project, would be a total different. So top left, Qwen is finished, Copilot is finished, and DeepSeek is finished as well. So let's test out the first one. Qwen 2.5 Max. Copy this code, go over here to liveread.com and now test this one. On the right side, we have a short description how to play this game. A left arrow move left, right arrow right, down arrow down, up arrow rotate, space up. Okay, so fast space works. We can rotate the pieces, go left and right, and go down with arrow down, then fast drop. Fast drop works super good. The game works smooth, but I think the game design is simple and not that modern as wanted. But first of all, this game is working good. Super happy with it. Let's test if the lines disappear. We get score points up right corner. This one, some points. Okay, so now we have 20 points. I think 10 points per line. No, 10 points. Okay, so this one works. Let's test out what happens. Finish this game. Okay, so we just get this pop-up game over. Then after clicking OK, we start again. Now let's get over to ChatGPT if it's finished. Yes, this one is finished. Now let's copy this one here. Okay, and right here we have total different, and we can see here the piece. We even have a next piece right here. So we have a preview of the next piece. We have no description how this game works, what keys we are using, but I think the preview is good for Tetris beginner. Okay, so we can just focus on the bottom side of this game. Then we can place pieces. So as you can see, we can play this game way faster than the other one. Kind of fun. So let's test if those lines disappear and if we get some points. Okay, we already have some. I don't know, I already deleted happened here. So this game looks pretty okay, not really modern, but the game is working. The design is solid, and we have this little feature of the preview. Go down work well, also possible. Now I still want to test out if points add up. Okay, so we get 40 points for this line. Yes, 40 points for each line. You have this little counter, line 2, and you even have a level count. We can hold a piece out, okay, with Shift or C, hold the piece. So this works pretty well. This is not modern, but this game could be released like it is, I think. Now let's get over to DeepSeek AI. Right here we gave in prompt with DeepThink R1, copy this. One feature is you can click on one HTML right here, then you're able to play in this web application. But let's paste it as well. Okay, so this is the game. We can rotate, we can go down, go right, go left, swap this piece by pressing spacebar, see if we get some score if we finish line. Okay, so we get a score. I don't know why we get a score of 196. Let's find out. This is normal numbers, would be crazy. Okay, something is weird about the score. I don't know if there is a system about different pieces in the line, if they add up to a difference in this game where we can soft drop this and fast drop, and let's see what happens if we game. So we have a game over button and a play again button. This one works as well. If we click on game, this game restarts also, and we have a preview of the next piece. So this game is really perfect. The design is cool. It's not super modern, but it's a lot more modern than the other two games so far. And we have all these little features, game over button, these controls. This one the best so far. But let's take a look into the last one, the GitHub Microsoft creation. Copy this one, paste here. That's a crazy version of this. Okay, we can rotate, drop the piece. We just have a single color. We can't fast drop. We can drop what happens if we finish. It's game over, and I think we can't restart. Pure trash, this game. I think it was copy and pasted by different GitHub sources, and so I really can't button that. So we have a clear winner. First one is DeepSeek AI, then we have ChatGPT. After this one, Qwen 2.5 max, and the last position is Copilot Microsoft with its disaster creation. But I think all the AIs have the potential to create this game in a price and make it as clean as DeepSeek did it already in the first try. So if you want to find out how I created with just a single prompt for each game 5 different games in DeepSeek AI, click on this video right here.